The $26 billion fitness industry took a hit during the recession, but now it's racing its way to a recovery with fitness franchises. Jackie Keenan reports from Florida.
Just 2 years ago, 27-year-old Shannon O'Brien was stuck behind a computer at a corporate job. Now she's pushing the bar in the fitness world as she's traded her business suits for yoga pants.
It was always kind of a dream of mine to open up my own business.
O'Brien just opened 5 months ago a Pure Barre, one of the many popular fitness franchises breaking onto the scene. Pure Barre started franchising in 2009 and now has more than 130 locations across the country. It's opening at least 60 studios this year. The concept uses the ballet bar as the tool for toning and squeezing your way to an athletic physique. O'Brien says classes are getting more and more packed as they figure out what works with marketing.
We try to do a lot of social media, a lot of word of mouth, which is great. We do some referral things, so we try to get the word out there as best we can.
Tucking and squeezing may not be for everybody, but there are so many new fitness franchises on the market that one is bound to be for you. Fitness franchises like Pure Barre are racing to open and are bringing the fitness industry back into financial shape. The fitness industry took a hit during the recession, but now revenue is set to rise 2.5% this year, with profits increasing close to 9%. A motivation by Americans to get healthy, along with a recovery putting more money in people's pockets, are the reasons consumers are flocking to these franchises that have diversified the industry. Orange Theory is another franchise on the move. Unlike Pure Barre, Orange Theory attracts those who want to run, row, and sweat. Terry Blachek helped found the Orange Theory concept and says the days of the generic gym being the only player in town are over.
There's a lot of small fitness concepts that are kind of coming to market. You see people migrating from the big box gyms, which is middle of the market, going into either cheap fitness, or they begin to go into what I call the niche market, and very niche boutique-y, where people know your name, you get more personalized attention, more personalized results. And what we're finding is people want to be part of a smaller group.
That smaller group is what attracted Melissa Walters to Pure Barre.
Everybody kind of comes on a consistent basis. So even though the first time you come in, you may not know anybody, over time you definitely get to know everyone, and it makes it more like a home.
For First Business News, I'm Jackie Keenan.
Orange Theory and Pure Barre charge up to $20 per class, and monthly memberships cost more than $100.